That's a crazy cowboy Jimmy here. We're gonna shoot that 9mm. I got a few bolts left in there. Gotta shoot him. Gotta shoot him. Let's do it. Oh, I gotta get the air blood. Where's the time? Where's the time? First one to get paid, the first one to get laid. Quit fucking my goat, Bobby. Have a backup gun on you. Always have a backup gun. You run out of bullets, you gotta get that backup gun out. They just figure out how to take it out, you know. That's one thing you gotta learn how to take the gun out of your holster. Take that gun out of your holster. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Catch a fish of fire. Oh, that. Yeah. Praise Jesus God. Praise the Lord. Yeah. Woo.